So yes, my code, what we were trying to discuss. So what I did is, you understood, I just copied this piece of code which will give me the condition for mod. I'm trying to save my time over here, as you can see my screen as well. And then I'll uncomment this code to uncomment, which is control plus slash. Okay. Now I don't know. I'm like, if you see, I don't have this mod being initialized anywhere. The value of mod, as you can see, so it's giving me error. What error? The local variable may not have been initialized. So whenever you're trying to compare, or you can say performing an operation, especially while you're putting a condition as such on that variable, and if there's any problem saying the variable wouldn't have been initialized, so you get this error as such. So for that, what would I do is, now how do I calculate mod? As you know, I'll say mod equals to the number which is count for me, mod of 2. Yes or no? So I'll calculate mod of 2. As we understood, what does this count represent? It represents the value from 0 to 10, every time incrementing one by one. So every time it goes increments, it checks whether that mod of 2 is equals to 0. Yes or no? If it is equals to 0, it will say it's even. No, it will say it's nothing. It will not do anything. So in this way, it will only print the numbers which are even from 0 to 10. Hope you're clear with this point. Okay, clear. Let's say I come in with 0 as a value. 0 you should consider if you want to. Okay, 0 you should consider, no, because 0 mod of 2 definitely give me 0, right or no? Then 1 mod of 2, no, it will not be equals to 0. Again 2, yes, 2 mod of 2 is remainder is 0, yeah, it will print 2. Then 3, no. 4, yes. 5, no. 6, yes, and so on. Hope you're clear with this point. So let me try to run this. Help me with 0, quickly, while I run this program. See, I'm getting this 4 is even, 4 is even. What's the problem? Why am I getting 4 is even every time? I should get 0, 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even. I'm always getting 4 is even. What is the problem over here in my program? Help me quickly. What is the problem in the program? Line 6. Okay, good. So what change should I say? Yeah. Op1 is initialized to 4. Yeah, very good. It's op1. Yes, very good. We are printing op1. Very good. So what should I say? What should I change? What changes should I make over here? Help me quickly. What changes should I make over here? Line number 4. Yeah. Op1 equals to 4. Yeah. Print mod here. Okay. Count should be in if. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Any other change? Good. So some of them are saying count mod 2 should be in if. Okay. Mod is also correct. Na? Count mod of 2 is nothing but mod, right? So no. What changes should I make so that I don't get this improper statement? See, is the problem with the calculation? I suppose no. See, mod is getting calculated, yes. If is getting satisfied, yes. The problem is in the statement which is getting printed, if you can see properly. Yeah, so I should print count over there, right? We should print count over there. Yes, exactly. So instead of op1, I should say count over here, right? If you try to run this again, so this time when I run, yeah, it's saying 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even, 10 is even, right? So hope all of you clear with the problem I had. Good, good. Thank you, Samagri. Yeah, I'm printing the count now. Yeah, clear? Any questions for me on this? Good. Good. So hope all of you clear. This way I was able to print all the even numbers. Any questions for me? Guys, quickly, any question so that I can proceed on with the next exercise? Good. Somebody is asking me, can we get the code? See, I can definitely give the code. So, but can you then instead go and refer the videos? Will that be more helpful? Because I want you to type. Please understand. Still, the worst case, if you want the code, I can definitely share the. Hmm? But I want you to practice, because if you can see, uh, my main purpose is for you guys to become more comfortable, hmm? For you guys to become more confident, and hands-on is what we want. Hmm? Okay, some of you are saying, I think not required in opt 4. Yeah, you're correct. And yeah, this variable is nowhere required actually. Yeah, you're correct. Yeah. And so good, as you said. Can you see a warning sign over here? The local variable is not used. There's a warning. Hmm? So I can go and delete this as well. Hmm? Good. Great. Thank you. Okay, great. Let me proceed on with the next part now. Hope we are good with this so far. Hope we are good with this so far. Huh? Delete this. Good. So, is the earlier email I'm getting a question send on email? Okay, there's we what we do is we upload these videos on YouTube, and definitely there's a link which is please subscribe to the channel so that you can take advantage of all these videos which are getting uploaded. Okay. So let me share this channel with you over here so that maybe somebody will help me in some time while pasting this channel name over here. So I can share with you all guys, and then you can just go and subscribe to the channel. Hmm? Did I answer your question, JP? Okay. So let me proceed. The videos get uploaded. Yes. Yeah. Okay. The next part, very important part, I'll get on to the exercises now. So hope you're clear on how to print the numbers for a sequence, how to print for odd and an even. Huh? Let me get on to some important exercises to develop a logic and then to implement the code as well. Huh? Remember, when I say develop a logic and then to implement the code, my request to you, all of you, is a simple request is whenever you're typing in a new program, whenever you're practicing for a new exercise or new topic, so my request to you is first take a pen and a paper, try to implement the logic on paper in return. Hmm? In return, as in yesterday's videos, if I'm like, you guys would have received an email. If you didn't get a chance, you definitely go and refer to that video also, when we understood very important program on how to calculate the billing part. How to calculate the billing part. So that was very important program. Especially we went ahead and developed the logic for a program, and then we saw how to implement that logic as well. In that program, if you see, I had just designed the code which was a structure as such, unlike not the complete code as such. So my request to you is, if you can go and refer to that video again, one, and second, there's a challenge. How many of you can go type the same code with that structure being filled? When I say structure, means it only had if else, no code inside the lines, right? Like example, it was something like this, huh? It was something like this. If you can see, if hmm, else, it was something like this. Okay. So, and there were some conditions inside for sure, and there was a else block. So what I want is, I want all of you to go and practice while putting in the conditions inside and trying to run this program, and then getting the output. And then getting the output, one. And the second part, there's a challenge. I'm like, I know, like, how could I go and check? One is over the email, then definitely it traffics my email, and it's difficult for me also to relate what I'm trying to do. Second, very easy part would be go and directly put in the comment for that video. Just comment में डाल दो क्या कोड है. अभी उसमें देखो, उसमें now there is this confidence of yours which will work. Now some people are afraid, अरे मेरा कोड गलत हुआ तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे, है ना? Definitely. So where will a confidence come in? When you go and practice on that code and printing the output also. आपका आउटपुट बराबर आना ही चाहिए, है ना? अगर बराबर आ रहा है तो definitely you can go and paste in the comment, है ना? One. Second is for people who had already attended, they can even practice, they can even paste in the code. But deliberately I had kept the else part blank. So challenge for those guys also. If you go and finish the else part and paste it in the video for me. Okay, let's see how many of you can do that. And by then, I come to know how many of you are practicing on the videos, referring to the videos, trying to answer. And then that gives me a sort of feeling how many of you are interactive, how many of you are doing your practice while we have finished with this session. So definitely that will help me understand where we are in terms of practicing and how I can also even help back to you with your queries and any problems you are facing. Okay, please let's accept this challenge. Let's see how many of you can do that. Yeah, thank you. Somebody others also saying yes, we'll do it definitely. Thank you all. Yeah, okay, great. Okay, so let me try to delete this. एक यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा सेंटेंस बोलना चाहूंगा जो मैंने बहुत सालों पहले सुना था. अभी वो सेंटेंस क्या बोलता है आप समझना. उससे पहले मैं क्या बोलना चाहूंगा उसको भी आप ध्यान देना. मैं उन लोगों के लिए बात कर रहा हूँ जो लोग थोड़ा डेयरिंग नहीं करते यार. जो लोग डेयरिंग नहीं करते. डेयरिंग इन द सेंस अभी जैसे मैंने बोला प्रैक्टिस करो जाके वहां पे. लिप्सन सॉरी थोड़ा हिंदी है टुडे, मोर ऑफ हिंदी. सो दिस इज फॉर पीपल जो लोग they don't dare saying yes, if this is a challenge I'll go and take this challenge, I'll finish it up the code and definitely I'll practice on this code, see that this code is correct by again and again testing with different slabs which were given in that exercise, and with that confidence I'll go and paste it on YouTube comments. जो भी मैं वीडियो देख रहा हूँ वहां पे मैं रिमार्क में डालते जाऊँ, कमेंट्स में डालते जाऊंगा. So that shows my interest, practice and my confidence. Yes, I can do it and I've done it. ठीक है. So I'm now going to tell a sentence. वो सेंटेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कुछ लोग मालूम है जो लोग गुम हो जाते हैं उनको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? यू रिमेम्बर इन हिंदी में एक वर्ड है, जो लोग राह भटक जाते हैं उनको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं उनको हम लोग? या गुमशुदा नहीं, गुमराह. गुमराह गुमराह. ठीक है, गुड. थैंक यू फॉर ट्राइंग जेपी. सो गुमशुदा भी शायद हो सकता है बट मेरे हिसाब से गुमराह इज वो रिलेटेड. तो सेंटेंस बहुत सिंपल है, आपने ये सुना भी होगा. देर से ही सही मंजिल पे पहुंचे तो सही. देर से ही सही मंजिल पर पहुंचे तो सही, गुमराह तो वो लोग हैं जो घरों से अब तक निकले ही नहीं. ऐसा ना, देर से ही सही मंजिल पे पहुंचे तो सही, है ना. गुमराह तो वो लोग हैं जो मंजिल पे पहुंचे ही नहीं. इज इट करेक्ट और नो? सही है कि नहीं है? और प्रोसेसिंग में टाइम लग रहा है क्या? कभी कभी क्या होता है, अपना जब लैपटॉप स्लो होता है ना तो प्रोग्राम रन करते बहुत समय के बाद आउटपुट आता है. तो कभी कभी कोई डिफिकल्ट सा कॉम्प्लेक्स सा कोड रहा तो थोड़ा और ज्यादा टाइम लगता है. मैंने शायद काफी सारा उर्दू बोल दिया. नो प्रॉब्लम, चलेगा. ओके, थैंक यू. ओके, गुड. थैंक यू गाइज. many of you are saying yes. Anand, Shama, Aparijita, Jeffer, Poonam, JP, Shraddha. Good, thank you. Something. Yeah, so please go ahead in your life यार. अपनी तरफ से ना निकलो यार, अपने आप को लॉकडाउन है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अपने आप को पूरी तरीके से लॉकडाउन लॉक करके रखो, हाँ. कम आउट ऑफ समथिंग कॉल एज ए कंफर्ट जोन, हाँ. डू समथिंग यार. डू समथिंग यार, क्योंकि ये बीता हुआ टाइम वापस नहीं आएगा. सही बोल रहा हूँ. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ डोंट एंजॉय इन लाइफ, डू एंजॉय यार, बट सी दैट यू डू समथिंग रिमार्केबल. चलो लेट्स गेट बैक नाउ. सो ये मैंने अभी देखा. नाउ आई गेट बैक टू द लॉजिक, हाँ. एंड देन वील प्रैक्टिस ऑन दैट लॉजिक एंड देन टुगेदर. आई होप यू हैव अ पेन एंड पेपर. नो तो आप अपने लैपटॉप पे या कंप्यूटर पे भी कर सकते हो. एंड देन वील राइट अ कोड फॉर इट, हाँ. आई कम अप विद वेरी सिंपल प्रोग्राम. एरे का ठीक है, मैं एरे का थोड़ी देर के बाद रिवीजन लूंगा आपके, है ना. क्विकली आई शो द प्रोग्राम फॉर एरे आल्सो. आई हैव टेकन सम नोट्स फॉर यू, हाँ. ठीक है. बिफोर दैट सिंपल प्रोग्राम, ठीक है, पहले फैक्टोरियल का कर देते हैं यार, हाँ. ठीक है. सो फाइंड द फैक्टोरियल ऑफ अ नंबर. Find the factorial of a number. Let's say example में I'll give you a number as 4. So factorial is what? 4 if you 3, am I correct? Into 2 into 1, am I correct with this? So it comes to 24. Is this correct? 4 factorial. Factorial is ये factorial है Fibonacci की है, हाँ. ये factorial है Fibonacci की है. सब कंफ्यूज. जल्दी आंसर दो यार. ये फैक्टोरियल है पक्का. 4 फैक्टोरियल जो मैंने सामने कैलकुलेशन लिखा है, आउटपुट लिखा है, इज फैक्टोरियल श्योर. और फाइबोनाची क्या होता है? फाइबोनाची सीरीज क्या होता है फिर? 4 का फाइबोनाची क्या बनेगा? 1 1 प्लस 1 2 2 प्लस 1 3 3 प्लस, बराबर ना, 2 5. दैट विल बी फाइबोनाची. या so yeah, almost all of you are saying yeah, good, thank you Deep. 0 1 1 3 5. 2 नहीं आएगा क्या दीप उसमें? Good, thank you Deep. Yeah. uh, okay, great. Series of numbers, yeah Shreyas, thank you. Samudri, thank you for answering. Yeah. Okay. So this is the factorial. As you understood, 4 ka factorial. Similarly, 5 ka factorial will be something 24 into 5, 120, I suppose, right? Okay. And then 6 would be 720, huh? That way. So, I want you to write a simple. अभी आप मेरे लॉजिक यार देखो, जब मैं लॉजिक बोल रहा हूँ, बोलोगे सिंपल तो है, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 5 है तो 5 into 3 into 2 into 1, 6 है तो 6 into 5 है ना. But somewhere if you have to write a code, somewhere you have to write a code, and you don't have something called as just multiple operations, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, I want you to use a loop for that. I want you to lose a loop for that, हाँ. अभी हम लोग थोड़ा हम लोग we'll have a fun play type of thing, हाँ. Fun play type of thing जहाँ पे हम लोग थोड़ा खेलेंगे भी साथ में. Okay. Now what is this fun play? There's a case study where you receive, and that case study is you got it from a honorable, should I say honorable person, person called as Rahul Gandhi, huh? ठीक है. So now what is the objective? What is the objective now? What has happened to us after this lockdown? Maybe like July, August, September, whatever month you say. So there's this meeting which is held in Parliament, and when uh, there's this rule. The rule says there'll be some voting. It's not real, huh? It's just a fake case. What I'm trying to say. So there's a rule where it says that there'll be a voting which will happen, and first 100 members who will enter in the parliament. First 100 members who will enter in the parliament will be eligible to vote. Rest all will not be even allowed to enter inside the parliament. All of you clear? First 100 members. First 100 members will be allowed in the parliament. So Rahul Gandhi knows, like as usual, what he has done is he has prepared a strategy. What the strategy what he has prepared is he has requested all his members to be on time. When I say time is before, long before time. Like if the time is 10 o'clock, so he has asked his members to be available there by 6 o'clock. Maybe one night before also. That's fine. If they can. So this is the first strategy he has set internally. Second, what he has said is then there may be a problem there may be a problem like as usually these guys, some of them say there was a problem with voting machine, and so like there won't be any person who may count properly, or there may be a problem. So he wanted this to get automated, the process. So what he has requested is he has requested all the doors for Parliament to get closed, apart from one from where the entry will take place. Huh? Okay, only one door open, one door entry. Hmm? Clear? And on that entry, the door, he would request this team, the technical team, to put up a sensor, similar sensor we see in malls, which beeps up. As soon as you cross the door, it beeps. So then this sensor would give me an input whether the person has entered or no. Now, as soon as the person has entered, what will happen is then definitely the counter, which was showing me how many people have entered, will increment by one. All of it clear? Will increment by one. And then the sensor will check, the counter will increment. And as soon as the counter reaches to the value when it says 100 people have entered, the counter will then trigger the door close event. Door close event will get event triggered. Hope you're clear. Okay, so you'll say, oh, so it's so simple. We can definitely go and draw. We can definitely go and write a for loop for it. But no, I want you to design the flow using something called as flowchart. Back to college days. Why am I saying that? Because once you're clear with the basics, so in your mind, in your head, then you'll be very clear how the loop works, how the condition works, and what is the problem if any happens. The same logic, then it will be easy for you to take care for other programs as well. So let me quickly show you some of the symbols which we will be using. I'll show you the symbols which we'll use it. If I have that ready, I'll draw it with you. Good, I have this ready. So these are the symbols we'll be using. Okay, for start and stop, as you know, don't go with the shapes and the sizes. Start and stop, the proper shapes. Start and the stop, as we know, this is the symbol. This is for all internal operations, as we know, and like example, A equals to B plus C. All calculations are of internal operations. When I say internal, means there is no input and output device being required, like display, keyboard, mouse, or such. This is your input and output symbol. Like if I want to take value from a user, from a sensor, output to a printer, output to a display. So input and output. This is for decision. It tells me yes or no, right? Like example, as you know, like you have something called this, like if it is no, if it is yes, this should happen this way, right? Okay, clear? So this minimum basic symbols we'll be using. So what I want you to do is, I want you to now help. Rahul Gandhi has given this assignment to you. So you're fortunate enough to meet him also, right? So he wants you to design this flowchart for his code, which he'll give to his team, and get that design implemented. So what you need to do is you need to draw a flowchart for me quickly. Hope all of it clear. Any questions for me? You can use your MS Paint. You can use your pen and paper. Whatever. I'll suggest if you have a pen and paper, it will be more faster, quicker. So let's take a couple of minutes. Not couple of minutes. You'll require at least 5-7 minutes. Let's take 5 to 7 minutes. Practice on this exercise quickly, and then I'll also help you understand implementing the same. Okay, and then we'll get on to very important logic part. So slowly we'll try to implement the logic. So this is Rahul Gandhi program, and this is the symbols you have. Okay, so it will help you.